Hi, it's Nørgaard. So I'm finally back with a new video today, a new Flashback Friday video. And today we're doing a little bit of a different Flashback Friday because I'm not doing an eyeshadow palette. Today I'm using this House of Goddess makeup collection from Haus Laboratories. So the look is focused on the lip liner, the lip gloss, and then the eye shimmer. And yeah, no nails. I filed the nails down first. You know, I have acrylics, so I filed them down first when they were growing out a lot, and then one broke and I was just like, okay, I'm just gonna take them all off. So now I have no nails. It looks weird, I think. It looks really weird. So yeah, I'm gonna do some type of manicure tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm just going to do gel polish or if I'm going to put on some press-on nails or something. But yeah, I'm gonna do something. And I also quickly wanted to apologize that I haven't gotten any videos out this week until now. I have been a combination of sick and then busy. So yeah, I haven't had a, a moment to breathe. But yeah, I hope you guys like this look. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And yeah, that's it. I hope you're all having a great Easter. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so let's get to it, shall we? My primer today is MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pots, and I just apply a little bit of this right on the lid. As you can see, I already have concealer on the brow. Okay, so this look is super simple. I'm going to first off apply a little bit of bronzer in the crease. Today I'm using this NYX contour palette, and I'm just mixing these three lightest colors. You can see how powdery they are. But anyway, they work fine as a little bit of a crease color. And I make sure I kind of wing it out. I'm going for quite a winged out effect today. And I just make sure that I blend that out well. Then I'm going to use the beautiful Aphrodite Glam Attack by Haus Laboratories. And this is going right on the eyelid. And almost all the way out. And then it's going up a little bit into the inner crease. And I also take it around the tear duct, and I use my finger to pat it in. And once it dries down, it's set, it doesn't move. Then I'm going to use my favorite eyeliner, which is Flyliner by Fenty Beauty. And I'm going to do like a half eyeliner look, so from the middle point and out. Then I'm going to do a little wing. Okay, so that is what it's looking like. I might make it a little bit bigger once I have my mascara and false lash on. But for now, this is fine. So now it's time to curl the lashes. And as always, I'm using my Essence Volume Booster Lash Primer. This lash primer is my favorite. I love it even more than I love the Estee Lauder Little Black Primer. The only thing that's better about the Estee Lauder one is of course that it's black. This one is white, so you do have to make sure you cover all the white spots. And of course the two mascaras I'm going to be using are by Sephora Collection. So it's called The Mascara and Outrageous Extension Mascara. So the lashes I'm going to use look like this. They're from Essence. They're just little half lashes. So it's just like a little tiny half lash. If you don't have any half lashes, you can just cut a regular strip in half. Okay, so now I have the lashes on and I just went over the eyeliner a little bit. So I'm going to use some white in the waterline. I'm going to use MAC Fascinating Eye Kohl. I'll bring that right on. And then I'm just running a little bit of bronzer along the lower lash line. And then finally I'm applying a little bit of lower lash mascara. Okay, and now for lips, I'm going to use Myth lip liner and Venus lip gloss, of course also from Haus Laboratories. You pick me up again. Got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you. Okay, so we are done. I put on my hat. I'm a hat person now. So this is the finished House of Goddess makeup look. Let me know what you think of it down below. I know I've been doing a lot of natural looks lately, and I will get back to some more colorful, outrageous kind of looks. I have just been feeling the natural looks lately, so that's what I've been rolling with. But yeah, anyways, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And you can also click the bell to get post notifications. And that is it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. So take care and bye bye.